What's up?
On.
How you doing?
Doing good.
Doing good. Good to hear. Can you show us the tattoo?
Yep.
Awesome. Oh, shit. That's crazy, man. It looks great, dude. Thank you so much. I can't tell you, this is a huge milestone for me in my cigar journey, so thank you so much.
Oh, it's not a problem.
I really appreciate it, and I think it speaks volumes about this community, and I don't know what else to say other than thank you so much. Are you rolling?
I'm rolling.
You getting me working here?
Good.
All right, guys. So a lot of people asking questions about products that were taken down from the website. We just have to keep that low for right now, man. Pray for us. Pray that there's a Privada Cigar Club still around in another 6 to 12 months. We're resilient. They can't take my freedom, I don't think. So I've been having so much fun doing this for you guys, and I know that we're a community and we're a family, and that I can get a job at any of your companies when this is over. So I feel blessed to have just been a part of this, and I'm hoping we have 20 more years plus of this. But yeah, it's dicey right now. And, thoughts and prayers, brah. Also, shout out to all the people in Louisiana and Mississippi, from what I understand. We have a guy named JP Ruiz, who's a first responder in New Orleans. I mean, geez, it's just, it's incredible. Speaking of resilient, you talk about New Orleans. I mean, this is like almost 20 years on the anniversary of Katrina, one of the worst disasters this country has ever seen. And they're saying that this doesn't look that much better in some ways. So, my heart goes out to you guys. That's real problems, right? All right, so let's get into these cigars, right? Actually, one of my, I don't want to curse, but one of my ideas is finally coming to fruition. There's so many of my ideas that are coming to fruition, or ideas in designs or whatever. The flag, you guys saw the flag. I mean, this is going to be to represent, this is going to tell everyone about you without telling everyone about you. In other words, it will tell you how into this thing you are, who you're into, what communities you're a part of. And I just think it's dope. And I'm excited to see these all over social media, right? Okay, now we have a project that I've been working on for 2 years. Some of you saw this up to 2 years ago. This is, and shout out to Jeremy Sires. He mentioned this to me like a year ago. He's like, I want to do like a full day of cigars. And I was like, yeah, I'm already working on that. I hope you don't feel like I stole this idea from you, because I promise you, Jeremy, I did not. This has been a couple of years in the making. And some of you have actually seen me working on it that long. This is the Good Day Pack, morning, noon, night, okay? We did the first Good Day Pack with one specific brand. It won't always be that case. So this is kind of like a Good Day takeover to launch the Good Day program, okay? And what the Good Day is it's a full day of cigars. It starts out in the morning with a Claro wrapper. It won't always be a Connecticut, but this is a Connecticut wrapper. It goes into the afternoon with a beautiful Habano for after lunch, okay? So the Connecticut's with coffee in the morning after breakfast or with breakfast. The Habanos after lunch picks up the intensity a little bit, a little spicy.
Bro, this is a vacation pack right here.
Correct, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
It's an active lifestyle thing. You put your little Boveda in the back and you take it with you, and you're good, or you put it in one of our Privada bags. But I just love this box so much. And then you have your full power Maduro for the nighttime. Sweet, chocolatey, spicy, to, top off the day with your, whatever you're...
I'll go backwards on it.
You gonna do it in reverse? Yeah. If you're a night shifter, you could. Anyway, so that's what it is, man. I hope you get some great B-roll of this. Shout out to Sedated Hype for helping me design these. I mean, this is something that I'm super happy and proud about. I feel like cigars need this kind of thing, and I'm glad that we, you know, I don't know if anyone's ever done it before. I think a lot of these ideas, I always say that because I don't know. I don't want to be accused of like, oh, this guy in 1976 already did this. Okay, maybe it happened before. But that's how creativity works, man. That's why trends happen. So, Good Day Pack. You want to get yourself some. This is made by Amendola. My guys, Jeff and Chris, my two Italian guys who actually blended each of these cigars themselves using all Aganorsa tobacco. So, I mean, we're going to do a whole piece on the cigars themselves. I don't think that they will ever be made in this size again. These are blends that they make, but in a unique size, 5x52, and they're all fantastic.
Nice, look at that.
Different types of caps on all of these. Flat, pointy, and then pigtail. So that's that. Now let's get into the reason why you guys are all here. The infamous, the world famous, the never-ending saga, Privada Cigar Club. This is why we're all here. This is a very special month. We have a cigar that we made with Blackbird Cigar Company. Shout out to Jonas. That has 2 years of age on it. So we're finally mature enough to where some of the projects that we bought and paid for have been aged 2 years. It's insane. Tell me anyone else. Come on, man. I don't even want to get into that. All right. This is the final saga in the color of money. Can't even say that. Who knows what we could say anymore. Like, you can't even show respect to brands. You can't even pay homage to brands without fucking, you know, some foreign company suing you.
Somebody.
Yeah, exactly. So anyhow, but you already know the Fast Eddie, the Vince, okay? Whoa. The you gotta watch it. You watched the movie, right?
I watched it.
I got the pool stick right there. I could do my thing.
Right here?
Yeah, and you know what that is? Doom. Okay. So this is the Minnesota Fats. This is actually not from The Color of Money. This is from The Hustler, which was the prequel to that movie. This is Jackie Gleason. It's robust. It's a little rotund. It is very
Muskiness in there?
It reminds me, it smokes like a Padron for some reason. I'm not saying the flavor is necessary. I'm saying the cut, the draw, the feel in the hand. It's very Padron-like, okay? So I'll show you that one. It's been aged 2 years. It's got a Brazilian wrapper on it, Indonesia binder, and it's got insides from all over the place, including, but not limited to, Pennsylvania. Shout out to PA. Brah.
Blue band.
Minnesota Fats,
The
brah.
first two were black?
Green, black, and now blue.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Minnesota Fats, y'all. Can you get that?
I got it.
This is before I knew how to design at all, and before I had artists to work with. So this stuff doesn't always show up very well.
It's been a while. Oh, man.
2 years.
Wow.
So nice. What's up? What to do? Rob, you should get in touch with me, man. We really promote Boveda hard body. Okay, whoa! You know what I'm tired of, Johnny? I'm tired of when I look at message boards and I look at all the comments and stuff, and I watch people trolling us, and I watch people saying we're great, and I watch people saying we're terrible, and I always reward the people that say we're great. I find out who they are, and I fucking send them stuff. They're like, hey, I think there's a mistake here. I got this box.
Awesome, dude.
I got this box of like a dozen cigars, and I can't figure out why. And I sent him a screenshot because you blasted this troll in the face, right in the eyes. You got him
Right in the eyes.
You got him in the eyes. Money shot. Okay, so, which I don't condone that kind of behavior, but okay. So here's the deal. Oh, that's chewed up.
Come back to that. We really
One thing that I hear from like old school Privada lovers, people who got in the club like 3 years ago, they're like, well, I really, I appreciate the direction Brian's going in, but, it's not like it was. Not like it was. The cigars are better than they were. 100% better than they were. Number one. Number two, what they mean when they say that is the focus was really on the aged cigar back then, right? But if you go into these boxes and really look, it was always one aged, one exclusive, one rare for some reason, limited edition, that kind of thing. If you look in the box, it's never changed. That's nostalgia tricking your brain into thinking that something was better than it is, when really it's better now than it was. And that happens a lot in life, and I learned that a lot over the last, dozen years. It's typically better now than it was when you're thinking about it. Anyhow, done handing out life lessons for the day. We got a DeCrossier aged 6 years in the building in cedar. You're going to get to see what a truly, let me get this out of here. You see what he does there, Johnny? He puts slices. This guy is a wizard. I talk about him in here. The industry has some magicians, some wizards, and some warlocks. Santana of DeCrossier is a wizard. Born in Cuba and thoroughly in tune with the motherland, Santana has a knack for making the cigars that cigar makers love most. Done. That's where I'm going to stop the story. You want the story, you got to get the box.
See that plastic again? Hold on.
Only he would do something like this.
Little openings there for it to breathe. Okay.
Correct. So it can age while it's in cello. Okay? This is what we're talking about. Now, not everyone's going to get this exact size. Some are bigger, some are this size, some are, but they're this blend, this cigar, aged and made in this batch. Okay? This guy is a master. Like I said, he is the cigar maker's cigar maker. Okay? This thing is incredible, what you're about to get to smoke. Now, that doesn't always mean that you're going to love this the most. It means that the opportunity to smoke this is absolutely incredible. All right, and I'm going to leave it at that, and I'm going to put it down so you can get some B-roll of it. And then lastly, we got an exclusive. We got something rare, exclusive, limited edition. We've seen these guys before. They're for a good cause. This is Caliber Cigar Co. Joint Service Robusto, aged 10 months. Okay, this is a San Andreas over Nicaraguan and Esteli Nicaraguan. Bro, this is the one. This is the one that the American market wants. That punch in the mouth. It is all that. If you retrohale this, be careful. This is a banger right here for sure.
That's not the same one as we got a few months ago.
That was a Connecticut, I believe.
Oh,
this is a Maduro, okay?
Ooh.
And everyone in the club is getting this. I love the branding on these guys. Very, very cool stuff. And they're for a good cause. They contribute money to Canines for Warriors, which is an amazing program that rescues dogs, trains them, and then rescues soldiers with PTSD with these dogs. Basically gives them these dogs that they already... It's just a beautiful thing, man. I mean, the amount of time and energy that goes into that is incredible. And so that's what we got here. Each box is also coming with...
The flag, nice.
The flag, so you can fly your flag high, your Privada photo flag. Again, I didn't go crazy on the branding because I don't want it to be just about Privada. This is about cigar culture. You can cover those up with other patches. I don't care. It's not about that. It's about cigar culture. And I feel like this is my little contribution, giving one of these away to absolutely every single Privada Cigar Club member, plus 5,000 people that shop on the site that request this in their order. So if you buy something from the club, this is free. Please limit one per person. You're all good people. I'm sure you won't take advantage of that. So that's that, man. You put your patches up there. You put everything. The video's going crazy right now, Johnny. It's the best video, the most viral video we've put out to date.
Of this?
Yes.
I haven't even checked it out.
In the amount of time.
Wow.
So in the first 24 hours, this thing has gotten more views and comments than I think any other video we've put out in the first 24 hours, which is amazing because honestly, boys and girls, our algorithm is screwed. I don't know why. I've said it before. We have the best content. We have the best viewers. We have the best engagement, what you guys do in the comments, writing back and forth with me all the time. I'm up at night writing you guys back. Like, it's incredible. And so I really don't give a damn, but it does piss me off for people like Johnny who dedicates, a good portion of his career to be here working on this channel that, YouTube never suggests. You go to the app and just put in cigar or cigar review, we never ever come up. Very rarely. And if we do, typically it's because your history is there and you've watched us before. But if you go with a fresh browser or block your, IP or whatever, we just don't come up. So I believe that that's from the beginning. Privada's always been, when I first started messing with Brian Glynn from Cigar Obsession back in the day, how much time am I at?
No, you're good.
Okay, all right, great. Thanks for throwing me off. So when I first started messing with Brian Glynn back in the day, and he started unboxing play the music, and he started unboxing our stuff, he said something to me that stuck with me. He said, boy, you guys are really polarizing. And I really never paid attention to that word before, but it's true. We've been very polarizing in this industry. Some of it's been self-inflicted, and some of it's been just because that's what we're doing and we're bringing something new. And it's been looked at as very threatening to some traditionalist people that were here before. So all that being said, this is your doing. You guys are effing killing it. We're making history. We're making cigar history, meaning that nostalgia that I talked about, in 10 years from now, they're going to be like, you had this? You got the Minnesota Fat? Oh my God, dude, how was it? Oh, it was amazing. I still have 3 of them. No, bro. That's what we're doing right now. So enjoy it while you can. And that's it. Hashtag we are Privada. Peace.